Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This SUV driver pulls into the drive-thru right before midnight. Pretty sure they weren't rushing for cookies and milk. This idiot blatantly runs a red and almost causes an accident. Red lights don't apply to him. Luckily, we both stopped in time, shook hands, and went on to have a nice day. Let me just roll right through this red left turn arrow. Speeding biker blindly crashes into a stationary car stuck in traffic. This idiot in a semi-truck drifted into my lane and almost ran me into a concrete barrier.
Sit back and enjoy, grab your plate of food. I'm about to start rambling.
This driver saw me coming, looked me dead in the eyes, and still decided not to yield. This truck driver can't decide where to turn, holding up traffic in the process.
Broader Turkey-style embargo, Israel would hardly feel the pinch because its trade with the global south is spread thin. Its commodity imports from such countries can also be easily replaced. It gets about as much oil and gas from Russia as it does from Brazil, and Vladimir Putin would be
Connecting to the emergency call center.
Why did this idiot skip the red light and hit my brother? I really thought for sure she'd stay in the right lane. It's a 6-minute drive home for me. Welcome to Atlanta on a Saturday night.
A few moments later. Two hours later.
This driver's tailgating me and then passes by like a complete idiot. They should have been in the turn lane, but I should have realized they were stopping sooner. This idiot refused to back up even though there was room. While I was taking my son to school, a garbage truck stopped in the opposing lane. The driver thought she had the right of way, even though she could have easily backed up. Why did they climb out and throw alcohol bottles off the highway? Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.